All right, got my upper and lower Cervini's grills. They look beautiful. They look awesome. You know, I was contemplating getting a GT 350 front bumper, and it took me a while to decide exactly what I wanted to do. So I ended up clearly going with the Cervini's and just swapping out the grill because, well, the GT 350 front bumper is gonna cost me about $700. To paint the thing is gonna cost about $500. And I'm not really gonna install these myself. So I figured it would be a lot easier to just get some new grills. And the shop down the street's gonna install this for $75. He's done my stereo system work, and they do stuff like this, you know, just little installs. And all the videos I've seen with people installing the Cervini's grills, I mean, they have a lot of problems, and there's all these little tiny tabs, and people break tabs, and clearly I really don't have the patience to install this. So I'm gonna have him go ahead and do it, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. So I did notice there is a gap here. If you can see it, it's not flush with the bumper. There's the gap right there. And I heard there were some fitment issues with the Cervini's. I saw a video of a guy talking about it. This was like 2 years ago. So I would have assumed that they would have worked those little fitment issues out, but apparently that's not the case. So I mean, the shop got it on, but I'm not sure what to do about this fitment issue. I don't think anybody would ever notice it, except me, who or somebody else that is that has a Mustang or has done a grill swap on their Mustang. It's not super noticeable, but it is. I guess we'll see what I'm gonna do. I mean, it's staying for now, obviously. So I'm just leaving the shop that put my Cervini's grill in, upper and lower. And I'm a little disappointed, and it's not so much their fault, because I've heard of fitment issues before, but I just feel like, well, I think it's my fault. It's my fault because, well, I didn't install it myself. So if I had installed it myself, I wouldn't have to blame anybody else. So, but I'm a little disappointed with the way the Cervini's grill fits. The upper portion of it, it doesn't fit flush. There's a gap. And will anybody notice besides me or another Mustang owner? I highly doubt it. But I'm just a real stickler on those kinds of things. I just like everything to fit right. And I mean, it's almost like for me, having a set of new wheels, and you know, one of your wheels wobbles when you fucking drive. I mean, it's like I don't know. I'm trying to compare it to something, but you would just think when you pay $500 for 2 flimsy pieces of plastic that they would fit the dang thing. I mean, come on. How in the heck are you gonna pay $500 for 2 pieces of plastic and have them not fit? Let me rephrase that. How are you gonna produce 2 pieces of plastic and sell them for $500 knowing there's fitment issues? Because I just, you know, looking back in retrospect, there's a reason why those grills have 3 out of 5 stars on some of the sites that they sell them on. I guess I don't know why I didn't go with the RTR grill, the black RTR grill. Why didn't I go with it? The one without the lights. Do you know? Because right now I can't seem to remember why I chose not to go with that. 'Cause there was a reason.